Recently, India took an important step to protect its warship from enemy submarines. The DRDO has successfully tested a new rocket system called ERASR, or Extended Range Anti-Submarine Rocket. These tests were done from the Navy's ship INS Kavaratti between June and July 2025. In total, 17 rockets were fired, and the results matched what the Navy wanted, like checking the range, timing of the fuses, and how well the warhead worked underwater. This new rocket can attack submarines hiding around a ship, making it harder for enemies to come close. ERASR is made specially for Indian Navy's ship. It can strike enemy submarines hiding between 500 meters and 8.9 kilometers away. This range is better than the older Soviet-made rockets called RBU-6000, which could only go up to 5 kilometers. What makes ERASR useful is that it can be fired in short range or long range mode depending on where the submarine is detected, and it can be launched as a single rocket or many together based on what the mission needs. These rockets will be launched from India's own rocket launcher system called IRL, which will slowly replace the older Russian launchers fitted on our warship. Compared to navies like the US Navy and the China's Navy, ERASR has a shorter range. For example, China's YU-8 rocket can go up to 50 kilometers, and America's ASROC system can hit targets up to 24 kilometers away. These countries also use special homing torpedoes, weapons that can chase a submarine after being dropped into water, and have advanced sonar systems and AI tools to detect subs far away. India's ERASR, with its short range, is more about protecting the ship from submarines that get too close rather than hunting subs far out at sea. To go beyond ERASR's range, DRDO is also making something bigger, the SMART system. This is a missile that can carry a small torpedo and drop it near a submarine up to 50 to 650 kilometers away. This will help the Indian Navy attack enemy submarines far from our coastline. The SMART system has been tested successfully in 2024 and in future could be launched from coastal batteries or even from Navy ships. The challenge here is not just making a missile, but also detecting submarines so far away and guiding the torpedo to them accurately. The successful testing of ERASR is a big step toward making Indian warship safer from hidden underwater threats, and as DRDO keeps improving sonar systems and missile technology, India's Navy will get even stronger and more self-reliant.